Hello Aranjami, Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome to season 2 of Know Your Riser. Before starting, we at Sunrise Army thank you all for making season 1 a very great success. Now let us get started. In this first episode, we will get to know about the 27-year-old bowling all-rounder from Mysuru, Jagdisha Suchith. Suchith has been around the IPL circuit since 2015. He started his IPL career with Mumbai Indians and played a good hand in their successful campaign. He later went on to represent the Delhi Capitals and Kings XI Punjab, but he is well known for his contribution to the Mumbai Pelicans. Cricket has been an integral part of Suchith's career since his childhood. Idolizing Sachin Tendulkar and Rahul Dravid, Suchith says he has been very fortunate of having worked with both of them at the state cricket and at the franchisee level. He has been representing Karnataka since his under 13 days. He made his first class debut for Karnataka in the 2014-15 season during a practice game with the Bangladesh A team, which had the likes of Soumya Sarkar and Momin Al Haq. He picked up 6 for 61 and scored a handy 41 in the second innings and helped Karnataka thrash Bangladesh A. Rewind to a couple of years before, Suchith is playing his under-19s and parallelly pursuing his degree from the Jain University. It was then when the University Cricket Championship was held by Toyota Group, which had the topmost university cricket teams across the country locked horns in 2013. If you remember this tournament, which was telecast in Star Sports, please let us know the year in the comment section below. Just a hint, it was held in the year when SRH made its debut. In that tournament, he grabbed the attention of IPL scouts when he plugged up 4 in the semi-finals against a strong Mumbai side. Fun fact, Shreyas Gopal was his spin twin for Karnataka that season, in which they triumphed. Suchith later honed his skills under the expertise of former Indian spinner Sunil Joshi, which propelled his case into the state team. Suchith is a southpaw in cricket, and he says, having watched Daniel Vettori a lot, he furthermore tries to mimic his style of play. And he's true. He has a terrific economy rate and has the knack of breaking partnerships. He is a decent batter and could well hit the long ball, as he does frequently for Karnataka in domestic tournaments. He is also a fantastic fielder. Last season when he represented Kings XI Punjab, he did not feature in a single game. But he took it on his stride and delivered for the Kings XI in the field as a substitute fielder in crucial moments. One such is in the game against SRH. Remember that game where we collapsed from 100 for 3 to 114 chasing 127? He took a screamer at the boundary line to dismiss Manish Anna, which initiated that horror collapse. Suchith, in an interview a few years ago, has said that he would be overjoyed when he could bowl to Kane Williamson. Little did he know back then that he would be sharing the dressing room with Kane. SRH has made a smart choice in opting for Suchith, as he could be a terrific backup for Nadim and Abhishek Sharma. He can bat at 8 or 9 and could provide depth in our batting. With SRH set to play 9 out of their 14 games in spin-friendly tracks in Delhi and Chennai, don't be surprised even if he pips Nadim to make it into the 11 for his all-round ability. That's it for the episode, guys. In the next episode, we will look at some interesting things about Kedar Jadhav. Before you leave, take a screenshot of this episode and post it on your Instagram story and mention us at Sunrise Army and stand a chance to get a shout out from our Instagram handle. Do check the description for our Instagram link and follow us there. Also join our FB group, which has more than 1 lakh SRH fans, and share your opinion. Take care and subscribe to Sunrise Army.